Did you know that Jamaica's Blue Mountains create their own weather? These mysterious peaks hold more butterfly species than the entire United Kingdom. Rising dramatically from the Caribbean Sea, the Blue Mountains stand as nature's weather factory. Here, constant trade winds collide with steep 7,400-foot peaks, creating a remarkable series of microclimates that change every few hundred feet. The mountains trap moisture-laden air, generating up to 300 inches of rainfall annually, 10 times more than Jamaica's coast. These unique conditions have created a sanctuary for extraordinary life, including the critically endangered Jamaican Swallowtail butterfly. This rare species exists nowhere else on Earth, making its home among the mountain's 800 species of flowering plants. The butterfly's survival depends entirely on these precise meteorological conditions, as even slight changes in temperature or humidity could disrupt its delicate habitat. What other undiscovered species might be hiding in these misty peaks? Follow for more hidden wonders of our planet.